It's day 15. Welcome to the beginning of week 3.
Woo.
Holy cow. We have been blessed with an abundance of new stuff for the program. Very excited for this coming year and all the cool things we're going to be able to do with it. Today, Kerrigan has picked another box, and I'm sure it'll be one of the fun ones.
It's really light, so
really
we'll
light.
see.
No battery symbol.
No battery symbol, so we've got something that is less dangerous, I guess. Oh!
Wow. That's a big box.
This is a big box for literally a small thing. But this is really cool. This is a Pro LED video light, so it's a light stick.
Oh, yeah. This light stick is awesome. We already have one of these. Now we have 2. That way more than one group can use it at a time. This became a very popular item in the class because this light stick does really cool things. There's also an app you can put on your phone, so you can control the light from your phone. You can change the color. You can change the temperature of the light.
I'm not going to get out of all of this packaging, but this is the basic dimensions.
What's cool is with this light stick, like say you wanted to film something like in a car at night, 2 people talking, well, there's no light. So if you take this light stick and you put it down under the dash, like at their feet, and you put it on the light really low, it looks like the interior lights of a car. And then you can light your scene, and it looks really awesome.
Yeah.
The one light stick we already have gets used all the time. Students love it. You can do really cool lighting stuff with it, create a lot of shadow, and change the whole mood of your piece. And so now people won't have to fight over it all the time. We'll have 2 that people can use, and who knows, maybe get creative and put them both together, different colors.
Yeah, definitely. I know a couple years ago, there was a project where the more advanced video students were recreating scenes for movies and pictures, so that definitely was super useful in getting those colored lighting scenes. So we are excited to have another one of these in our inventory.
Perfect. See you tomorrow for day 16.
Woo.
See what we can find.